with a force. Yeah, blessings we are reap and we coursing on full.
Okay. Hello everyone. So my name is Angelica. We're in Virginia. I'm gonna run up the window in a minute because it's raining. Because we decided, despite the hurricane, we're gonna come into the hurricane and show the hurricane the God that we serve, and our faith is in action, right? So at this moment, this is Shashan.
Hi. It's not so, but whatever.
Yeah, listen, we have our pajamas and all of that. So, Shashan, how was your journey over here on the bridge?
Well, the bridge, it was okay. It was fine until like the water started coming up. But I wasn't really afraid until we came up on that bridge. After we crossed the Chesapeake.
Okay.
And then like the car started going like this. That was when like I kind of got nervous. But you know, it was a good ride.
Okay. So, the driver here, I'm not going to say too much about her because she's driving. And I don't, because she's holding on to the steering wheel tight. Okay? Take a grip. That song was written for her. Okay? So, this is Unique. Unique, how was your journey over here? I mean, you're behind the steering wheel, so you should know how the car feels and all that.
The car was shaking uncontrollably. I got so
scared. Shaking uncontrollably.
It's not the car. The reason is because the wind was coming towards us.
Right.
So because of that, I was. Oh Jesus! Thank you, Lord.
So
we're brave.
Until we get to the hotel, then I'll give you an update. But so far we're here and we're excited because hurricane now start with show.
But yeah, it was like the water and everything that was terrible. So I can just imagine, and that's just a category 1. So I can just imagine like the whole destruction and how people felt when they were in Bahamas and they couldn't do anything about that. We were in control, kind of in control of where we were going, controlling the vehicle and all of that stuff. But they didn't have any control over anything. They saw it coming and couldn't do anything. So you can just imagine.
Alright, so see y'all later. That's for now. I have crazy friends. Look at the hurricane, bro. Only we alone in the foolishness here. Okay, so you see, it's taken by its course, but people's out there. Like, look at that. See? People are out. And I mean, where people are standing at is where water's supposed to be. I don't know if they're not scared that the water will just push itself all at once. But as you can see, that man is searching. Alright guys, so we are currently outside. We're going to eat. Probably that place, like a seafood buffet. It's raining, but good enough. Right, Anik?
Right.
I mean, everybody came out the... Hi. Okay, they're lovely. Everybody came out the hotel and Lily was at the beach. But we decided to eat first before we do all of that. And Shishan again. You see sis here? Like, yes. Alright, so see you in a few. So this is our view from our room. This is our view, right? And that's all the way right there. Yeah. To close the door. And there goes our pool. And there's also an inside pool that we're gonna go to later. So we are now in the pool. And the jacuzzi is like beating our backs. Unique is not here yet, but Shashan is here. As you can see the jacuzzi. Yeah, so hey, if the hurricane want to take over the sea, that's fine. But at least we got the pool to relax in, right? Alright. morning, everyone. So this is our breakfast. Yesterday we didn't have much of a good time at the restaurant we went to, so we decided to go to a different restaurant and a different hotel. So this is my breakfast: omelet with bacon and cheddar cheese, bacon, hash brown, fruit, and my French toast. Like, look at that, and orange juice. So sharing my fruits. What kind of omelet is this?
This is a bacon, ham, and spinach.
What is it? Coffee. What is it? I believe that's blueberry pancake. Okay. That's blueberry pancake?
Yeah,
Blueberry pancake. And me, I have wheat bread, bacon, hash brown, and what's this again? Danish. Yeah. And coffee, pineapple. So, this breakfast is expected to be good. Tell me how it tastes, Trish. It's really good. Good. Alright. You don't need so that's it, y'all. We will never go back to that place again. See you again. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't see. So as you can see, we moved from the beach or the sea to the pool. So yesterday we can't see so well, but it's actually an infinity pool, so it goes straight out there. I know the sun is. So today we have Unique with us, okay, and Trishan on the other side. He's trying to swim. I know it's sis going, but she trying. She ain't gonna join on me. But yeah, we are getting ready to go eat. So, Cloud. But we're getting ready to go eat and close out because we leave tomorrow. Yes. I'm gonna go back to the school stress, work stress. So, yeah. Bye. Come on. The yard house. So what I got chicken nachos. Yo, y'all look at this. Okay. And Yenny, what did you get?
Shrimp jambalaya. It has chicken, shrimp, crawfish, and linguine, tomatoes, scallions, sausages. Yeah.
Shan got the same thing.
Mashed potato with what's in the middle? Parmesan.
No, but like, seriously though. He also my nachos. Okay. Alright, I'm out. So guess what? Look at my nachos. It doesn't look different than when I just got it. The only thing that everything's together, because I did it. Because I can't eat anymore. Unique doesn't seem like you need.
Just a potato.
It's ridiculous. Yard house, y'all did us good. Y'all did us good. Like, y'all did us really good. This was worth my $13, even though I didn't even eat all the $13. But it was good.